Right. Now can you hear me, all of you? Guys, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, guys? Right. So today we will discuss Python installation, guys. Today we will discuss Python installation. As I told you, as a part of our free Python classes, we will discuss core Python, which covers all basics, That means if you don't know any other basics, like if you don't know C language basics, C++ basics, or a Java basics, if you don't know any basics, still no problem, because we start learning Python from basics onwards. Because our main goal here, starting learning from basics onwards, guys, not going directly high level or advanced course. No, we go from basics onwards, because these Python classes are mainly for beginners. Beginners means who don't know the basics also, or who knows basics but don't know how to make a program. For them, these classes are very, very, very helpful, all of you. The second part is, once all basics are done, then we start advanced Python also. In advanced Python, what we do, by using these all basics, we are going to make programming. Or coding, guys, all of you. Okay, that's why if anybody don't know any basics also, or if anybody failed in C language, in C++, in Python, anywhere, if you got backlogs also in our academic years, but still you don't worry, I make you a good programmer by end of our free sessions, all of you. For that, I give 100% surety, guys. By end of these free classes, I will make you a good programmer. But from my side, my request is, don't miss the classes. Every day, attend the classes, and then you can easily learn coding, guys. Coding is very, 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 very simple. First of all, generally we think that coding is difficult, and coding means only CS students only, coding means only employees only, right? So I am not a CS background, or I am not an employee, I don't know coding. No, it is all false. Anybody can learn coding very easily. The required thing is concentration and interest and patience for few days, guys. Just few days, just keep the concentration and have a patience and keep a regularity for the classes. That's enough to become a good programmer. Okay, right. Now, as part of core Python, guys, first we're going to start with installation. Which one? Installation, guys. Okay, we start with installation, because without installing, we cannot discuss a single concept of either core or advanced Python. That's why we start with what? We start with installation, Python installation. Okay, all after Python, what are the Python, what are the configurations of our laptops are, what are the requirements in our laptop, all of you. Just required the basic configuration, guys. The basic configuration enough, all of you. The basic configuration is enough to install the Python. All of you is enough to install what here? To install what? To install Python. That's all. We don't require a high level configurations to install Python. No, not required. We don't need gaming laptops to work with Python. No, not required, guys. Just a basic laptop enough. The basic configurations enough, guys. Okay, right. Now here we have two steps. One is downloading Python software. Downloading Python software, guys. The second one is after downloading, then what we do? Installing the same Python software. Installing the same Python software, all of you. So two steps here. What's first one? Downloading Python software. And what second one? Installing Python software. That's all of you. Okay, right. First, let us see how to download Python software. First, what we do? We'll see now how to download Python software. The first step, guys. How to download Python software. Right. So here we have a Python official website, guys. That is python.org. So this is what here our Python official website. From there we download Python software. All of you are clear now? Tell me now. From where you download the Python software? From the Python official website, guys. Python official website. Okay. That is what here. See. python.org. Now if I click enter, yes, now what opened here? Python official website is opened. And here we can see some tabs are there. About, downloads, documentation, community, success stories, news and events. Okay, and here we can see the second option, the second tab, that is what here? Downloads, guys. That is what? Downloads. And when I open the downloads, you can see one window is opened, guys. Here one window is opened here, right? And here we can see one button and showing Python latest version number. Now guys, tell me now, what is the number? What is the Python latest version? See, while interview is going on, sometimes they may ask you, okay, on which version you practice Python, or to practice Python, which version of Python you used? Guys, tell me now. Guys, all of reply, give reply now. Chat box. What is the version? 3.13.7. 3.13.7 is the present latest version. But generally we don't say these three numbers, guys. Generally we say that currently I am using 3.13, 3.12, 3.10, that's all. Just to specify these two numbers, 3.13, 3.10, 3.11, and this sub number generally we don't say in the interviews. Why? Because see, sometimes every week new release will come. Sometimes every month a new release will come. At that time, what will change mostly? The sub numbers keep on changes. The sub number that now 7 is there. Next week it may be 8. It may be 8. After 10 days it may be 8, 9. Okay, that's why generally we ignore this number and we say that 3.13. 3.13. And some people will ignore 13.7 also. Simply they say that I am using Python 3 version. That's all. Some people say that I am using Python 3 version. They ignore that sub numbers, guys. All of you. Okay, right. But remember first two numbers 3.30. Remember, guys. Okay. And sir, I don't want to use this latest version. Suppose I want some old version, sir. Then how? Here it is showing latest version only. That is okay, sir. But I want to use some previous version, sir. Some old version. Then where we get the old version, sir? Yes, you can see, guys, below one link is there. You can see below one link is there. What is that link? View the full list of downloads. View the full list of downloads. Okay, right. And guys, observe now. I am going to show you first of all the old versions, guys. That's why I am going to click here. View the full list of downloads. View the full list of downloads. I click here. Yes. Now, guys, observe now. Yes. All of you. See, looking for a specific release is a question mark. Means, are you looking for any old version, any old release? Yes, you can find here the old releases, guys. You can find here the old releases. Okay, and see the date wise, latest one is what here, guys? Latest one is Python 3.13.7. Release date is August 14th. Release date is what here? August 14th is the release date, guys. You can observe here. And the previous version released just 12 days before, guys. No, 8 days before only. 8 days before only the previous version. Which one? 13.6. 13.6. And the previous version almost some, like 1 month, around 1 month, guys. Just check the date durations. So sorry, 2 months, right? Okay, in the middle July is there. And just observe, guys, here, and observe now in just June month, how many versions came on a single day. You can see, guys, all of you, on a single day 13.4 and see in 13 4 released, in the 10 18 released, in the 9 23 released, in the 11 13 released. All of you can observe here. And in 13 which were released? 5, guys, right? 5. Like that Python releases frequently n number of releases, guys, n number of versions, that's why generally you cannot remember a specific date or specific release number, guys. That's why in the interview when they ask us what is the current latest version number, at that time if you know, you can say that number. If you don't know, what we say generally when I was practicing, the version number was 3.13.7. On that only I practiced. Like that you can give the answer, guys. If you know the latest number, you can say very easily. That's happy. If you don't know, if you are not sure what is the latest release, whether the same release still 2 months is going on, or in the middle some new versions came, you are not sure. At that time you can say that when I started practicing Python or when I installed Python, latest version number is which one? 3.13.7. All of you. And if you want that one, just click this download option, guys. It will download. Okay, just go down. You can see guys how many versions are there. But these are all which versions, guys? 3 only. These are all Python 3 only. In the Python 3 subversions, guys. Again, these are all different subversions. So Python 1, Python 2 are not releasing now, guys. Python 1 version, Python 2, they are not releasing. They are stopped permanently. They are stopped. Python 3 is going on. In Python 3, sub numbers are going on now. All of you. Python 1, Python 2 are stopped completely releasing, and only Python 3 is going on currently. That's why you cannot say, as a fresher, you cannot say I'm using Python 2 sir currently, I'm using Python 1 sir currently. No, because Python 1, Python 2 stopped. But latest version 3. In the 3 we have n number of sub modules, n number of sub releases, guys. Okay, you can see now. I think Python 2 version released almost long ago, guys. Almost 2020 April something it stopped last version. Can observe, guys, here. Can observe now. Almost 2020 April 20 2 version released, guys. I think later 2 version not released later. Yes, correct, guys. Okay. So when Python 2 was stopped means, or when Python 2 last version released means, when tell me, guys, April 20, 2020 Python 2 version released, that is the last one. With that one, Python 2 was stopped completely. From the time onwards, April 20, 2020 onwards, only latest version only going on. Python 3 only going on, guys. Okay, right. Now coming back now, I am going to click this Python 3.13.7, guys. Okay, all of you, and I click on this one. Right, guys, can observe here. Guys, here the size of Python version is just 27.5 MB, guys. Let us take 28 MB only. How much? 28 MB, guys. Allah can observe here. The size of Python software is how much? 28 MB, which is smaller than WhatsApp also, guys. All of you, I think WhatsApp is more than 30-40 MB. All of you can observe here. Some softwares will be like 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB, some softwares. But Python, very small one. Very small, guys. Python like a small kid. Python size wise small kid, but action wise very powerful. All of right. Python size wise very small, but action wise, but work wise very powerful, guys. Okay, you can observe now the size how much here, just 28 MB maximum, and around let's consider 28 MB, guys. But it's powerful than all other languages or other softwares. All of you. Okay, right. Now downloading is over, guys. Downloading over, and where it is downloaded, in my downloads folder. I am going to open downloads folder, guys. Okay, yes, you can observe now the downloads folder. You can find that recently released downloaded software, guys. All of you. Which one? Python 3.13.7. Okay, so now what is over here? The first step over. What is over? Downloading Python software over. Now, guys, let me know this one. Everybody, is it clear now? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Downloading Python, is it clear? Everyone, let me know, guys. Downloading Python, is it clear, everyone? all of you guys in the live, whoever is there, everybody, please give reply. Downloading Python, is it clear, everyone? Gautam Kumar, yes sir, very good. Gautam Kumar, you have one question. That is, sir, I had installed 3.12. Is that okay, or can I download the new one? No, not required. Gautam Kumar, whatever you have, use that one only enough. You don't go for again latest one. Or if you want also, you can try, no issue. If you want to use latest also, you can try it, no issue. Okay, Gautam Kumar. Right, now let us start installing Python software. Now first step over, let's go with the second one is what? Installing Python software. So now first what do? I'll go to the place where it is downloaded. Now I double click this one, guys. I double click this one. I double click it. Yes. Guys, observe now. All of you observe here. See, actually, I want to show you installing Python software. I want to show you installing Python software, but it's asking me upgrade to new version. Upgrade to new version, guys. Okay, new version. That means what? Currently in my laptop already Python software is there. Already Python same version is there. That's what it's saying updated, guys. All of you observe now. Currently in my laptop, what is the version here? 3.13. The same one, 3.13. All of it compares these two numbers. 3.30 latest one. Already in my laptop also 3.13 is there. Now it's asking just to upgrade. You upgrade from where? 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Upgrade 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Just upgrade. Okay. So see, if I click here, if I click upgrade now, automatically Python 3. All of you 3.13. Okay. Python which number? 1 second, guys. So it converts from where 3.13.5 to it converts into 3.13.7 when if I click on this one. But what I want here, I want to show you installing a software step by step. I want to show you installing from basic starting onwards. At that time, if I click here, it will not show all the installation steps. That's why what I am going to do, I am going to uninstall this existing version so that I can show you step by step installation of 3.13. 13.7. Okay, that's why how to uninstall the software now. How to install software, guys? Now just go to control panel. All of you guys observe here. Control panel, and from there I am going to delete my existing Python version. Yes, this is existing my Python version, guys. 3.13.5. Just I double click it. It uninstalls automatically. See, Python installation and uninstallation both are very simple, guys. All of you. Python installation and uninstallation both steps are very simple, guys. That's why we don't struggle while installing and uninstalling. We don't struggle. It's very simple. Guys, it is uninstalling. Please wait 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Now what is our uninstalling successful, right? Okay. Now close this one. Close this one. Again, what do? I start installing from starting onwards. Like go to again folder and double click it. Double click it. Yes. Yes. All of you guys observe here. Here what is there now? What is there, guys? Here we can see now install Python 3.13.7. Install Python. And here there are two steps. One is install now, and the second option is what? Customize installation. The first option install now, second option customize installation. Two options are there. We have to choose any one option. We have to choose any one option, guys. We choose either install now option, or we choose either customer installation option. Any one we have to choose. Just if I click here, that's enough. It starts installing automatically. We don't have next steps, guys. Next not there. Just if I click either here or here, it starts automatically installation. Okay. Sir, what is difference between these two steps? What is the meaning of install now? What is the meaning of customize installation? Customize installation. What is difference, sir? Okay. Right. See, the difference is, if I click the install now, if I click install now, then our Python 3.13.7 will install automatically in this given folder, in this given path. It is going to install. Means it is giving the default path. It is giving the default path to install Python software. Sir, this path seems very lengthy, sir. This path seems very lengthy. I don't want to use this path, sir. I want to use a very short path, or different folder I want to use, sir. Like some D drive, E drive, or any specific folder I want to use, sir. Then we go for what here? Second option, and you can see here choose location. When you don't want this location, you can choose the location here. But I prefer always choosing the default path only better, guys. Always choosing the default path only always better. Always better, okay. And if I choose the default path, it gives automatically one ideally. It gives automatically one ideally people and documentation. These three bonus, guys. When I go with install now option, these three are bonus. These three are bonus. What's first one? Ideally, people, documentation. So what is the meaning of each one, sir? What is the meaning of ideally, sir? Ideally. Our second one, people. Our third one, bonus here, documentation. Sir, what is ideally, sir? Ideally stands for integrated. D for development, and L for learning. E for environment. All of you can observe here. So ideally means it is a file. It is a empty Python file. That means it is a .py file, guys. .py means what? It's a Python extension. It's a Python file where we can develop Python projects, or we can learn Python programs also. All right. In this file, we can integrate. Which one? The development of a project, or you can work with what here? Learning with the programs, guys. We can learn the programs also. For both purpose, we can use this file, that is IDLE, integrated development and learning environment, learning environment. Okay, so that means okay, it is a file. It is a file. It is used by whom, guys? Tell me. It is used by developers, and students also. Developers, what they do? Developers to develop what here? Projects. That is what development. And students to learn what here? To learn programs. To learn programs. Both can use this ideally. That is the default editor. We can say that it is a file. Also what here also called, it is editor. It is a editor where we can make our programs. Editor means it is a kind of software, guys. It is a software where you can develop our coding. We can use this platform for making our coding, guys. This is the default editor, which one ideally, but still we can use different editors also to learn Python, guys. We can use what like PyCharm is there. We can use PyCharm as editor to learn the Python programs. We can use Atom. We can use like VS Code, Visual Studio Code, guys. We can use Notebook, Jupyter Notebook. You can use. We can use Eclipse also, guys. Eclipse, Eric, PyScripter, like that. N number of editors are there, guys. All of you. We can use any editor to make Python programs, but Python is giving one default editor. That is name is what here? IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Learning environment. All of you, okay? Right. So you can use anyone, guys. Anyone you can use it. That is what first option ideally. The second one is PIP. It stands for Python package installer. Generally for a PIP we can find multiple full forms, guys. Multiple abbreviations are there for a PIP. Okay, so out of all we can take one is that is what here? Python package installer. Guys, observe here. Python is powerful because of what, let me know? Because of its packages. Python supports n number of packages like pandas, matplotlib, numpy, scipy, django, flask, like that. We have multiple packages. Yesterday I explained the purpose of the package. Okay, so because of more packages, our work is done very easily by using these packages. We don't need to write more coding. Just we can use the packages to fulfill our requirement. Just we add the less code and more code replaced by which one? These packages. That's why we say that what here? Python is very powerful because of its packages. How to get the packages, sir? Guys, some packages are default in Python. And some packages we have to install manually. Those are called third-party packages. So how to install the packages? How to install packages? Observe here. Just we go to the command prompt, guys. All of you, I am going to explain how to install packages. Okay, just go to command prompt here, and then we use pip here. What we use? Pip. We use the pip, then space install and space give any one module name, package name. I am giving Django. Django is my package name, guys. Pip install Django. or pip install pandas, or pip install numpy, all of right, or pip install scipy. So like that we give any package name after which one pip space install space. And if I click enter guys, okay, if I click enter, then it installs automatically in our machine, all of you, okay, right. That's why we use pip to install what Python packages. That's why it's called what Python package installer, okay, installer, right. Let's observe here, all of observe here. So it is like it is a module, or it's a tool, you can say that guys, or it's a tool which is used to install what here, to install Python packages guys. How to install, tell me now. Simply pip install, then we give the package name, where in command prompt, So without this pip we cannot install packages. If you don't have the packages, then Python is not powerful, Python is not useful for data analytics, Python is not useful for data science, AI, for Gen AI, for all latest technologies. We cannot use Python if Python is not having packages. That's why to install the packages, what required here, pip is required guys, okay, right. Then the third one that we are getting as a bonus is what documentation guys, okay. It means what here, documentation means what, it gives the complete notes of our Python concepts guys, or Python, all right. It gives a complete documentation of all types of keywords, all of it. I show you how to get the documentation also. It's a default documentation of anything which is related to the Python guys, okay, right. So these three are the bonus when I go with what the first option, and here the most important is which one, this option guys, which option, add Python to the path, So this option is very useful when you want to work with packages. If you don't want to work with any package, if you don't want to install the packages, then it is not required guys, but you want to install the packages, then compulsorily we have to choose this option, why, yes. Read the name, what is the name, add Python to which one, to path, add Python to path. What is the path, sir? Python means okay, Python means what, my software, that is okay, Python means my software, but what is path? Yes, that path means this command prompt path guys, this path, all of you can observe here, this path, okay. So see, generally guys, all of you must have one doubt here, what is the doubt, sir? This is Python, but this is what, it is Windows software, sir. This is what, Windows, right, Windows software guys. Then how Python modules are installing through Windows, how it's possible, sir? All of right. So what I told here, like we try pip install Django like this, right? You must have a doubt here. What is that means? Sir, Django belongs to Python. Django belongs to what? Belongs to Python. Then how can you install in the Windows, sir? How can you use my Windows, sir? Or pip belongs to what? Python. Pip belongs to what? Python. But how can you use in my Windows software, sir? How can you use my Windows software? How can you use pip install Django? How can you use these all commands, these all names on my Windows software? How can you use it? All right. See, without giving this, without checking this option, if I click enter, it will show whichever internal or external and some name guy, internal, external, not recommend something, some name will be there. This error will come. Internal or external or not recommended, some name will come. Okay, this error will come, guys. When if you don't check this option, because this pip name is not recognized in this Windows software. So if I check this option, then what is the benefit means? Guys, observe here. If I check this option, then my Python I am adding to this path. Now I am giving the connection between my Python software and this Windows software. I am giving the connection. I am giving the relationship, guys. So that when I run this command, which command like pip install and Django. So what does it do? First of all, this pip install Django will check in the Windows. That is called what? Internal operation. Internal checking, guys. Internal checking. So internet is not available in the Windows. It is not available. And then it go to where now? It go to where this connection is there, right? It go to through this connection, guys. And in Python, do we have pip? Yes, we have pip. Do we have Django? Yes, we have Django. This is called what here? This is called external checking. Okay, external checking, guys. Right? Checking like this. Okay, but now in external it is correct, right? It is available. Then it installs, guys. So this external checking is possible because of which one? This check option, guys. If you don't give the check option, it cannot come back to which one? Python. Why? Connection is not there. That's what it says, that pip is not recognized as a internal and external command. That is the error, guys. What is error? Pip is not recognized as a internal or external command. Like this error will come. That's why. So while installing only, just check this option. First check this option and then click on this option, guys. That's all. Click on this install now. That's all. Single step, all of guys. It is a single step. Only. Some softwares required multiple steps to install, guys. But in Python, just a single step enough. Now, guys, all of let me know. Till now, guys. Everybody is clear? All of you. Till now, everybody is clear? Downloading and installing, both operations over. Okay. Now, let me know, all of you guys. Are you clear now, everybody? Everybody has to reply. Right. Now, what is over here? Setup was successful. That means what here? Installation is over, guys. Installation is over. Okay. Right. That's all. Now, installation is over. Okay. See, guys, I am trying to use a pip install. So let me close and open, guys, because just now installation is done, right? I'll open the command prompt. See, one of our friend Yes, Gautam Kumar asking, sir, can you explain what is internal and external checking, sir? Okay, let me try. Pip install suppose Django. Pip install Django, right? Now, when I click this one, when I click enter, so before installing, it will check first of all whether these names are valid or not. These names are valid or not. It will check first of all. So first it checks where in Windows software, guys, all of you. It checks in the Windows first of all. Means whether the pip is a Windows command or not, and the install is a Windows command or not, and Django is a Windows command or not. It will check like that. Checking where itself only, in the Windows only. That's called what here? Internal checking. Internal checking. Means checking inside, guys. See, I am using Windows software and checking where inside the Windows only. That's what it's called what here? Internal checking. Right? But internal checking is not correct. Here why? Because pip is not found here, install is not found here, Django is not found here. Then next what does it do? For this path, what is added here? Tell me now. What is added? Python, right? All of you. Just now, my Python added here. My Python added, right? Now what does it do? Now this will go to the which one? This added file means I go to Python software. It will check now in Python. In Python, pip is there or not there? In Python, install is there or not there? In Python, Django is there or not there? Yes, pip is there, install is there, Django is there, right? Means now this time it is checking where not inside the Windows, checking the outside the Windows, That's why it's called what here? External checking, guys. Okay, now here in Python, pip is there, in Python install is there, Python Django is there. Now what happens here? This one will install. This one will install where? Now this one will install in my Python, guys. In my Python. Now all of guys let me know. Guys. This one is clear, everybody? All of let me know, guys. All of let me know. And Satish, you are asking one question, sir, how many packages are there, sir? How many packages are there, right? See, there is no fixed number, Satish. There is no fixed number. Every time the new packages are adding, like just now I have shown you, every time the new versions adding, right? New versions are releasing every time. The same way, every time new packages are adding in Python. That's why there is no fixed number, Satish. All of you guys can have the doubt. So how many packages are there, sir, right? Okay, there's no fixed number, guys. No fixed number. Okay. Right. So now, and one more thing, guys, one more important point is whenever we are going to use pip, this one compulsorily our laptop must require internet, guys, compulsorily. All of you, when we are going to run this command, compulsorily in our laptop must have internet connection. Only this time only we require a net connection, guys. The remaining any time we don't need a net connection. This time only require a internet connection guys compulsorily. Okay, right. So now if run the install this one in my laptop, already Django is there guys already, so it says that already requirement satisfied. See, it's saying what here, already requirement satisfied. Why? In my laptop already this module is there, so it's showing like this. But you tried guys, you tried. If you don't have this one already, it shows you in downloading and installing here guys. Download the Django, install the Django. It shows step by step. It shows you step by step. Okay, right. That's about which one guys. Okay, pip. And ideally, just guys, while you practicing, don't open Python like this. Don't search for Python guys, all of you. If you search for Python, here you can see with the Python name multiple like files are showing guys. With Python name multiple files are showing. That's why. So we don't use these things to practice. No. That's why what you do, just to try to open IDLE. Which one? IDLE guys. Okay, open the IDLE, because as I told you, IDLE is the default editor which we use to practice. Guys, some days we use IDLE. After that, we go with the advanced level editors guys, like Notebook. Okay, or PyCharm, VS Code, those things we use later guys. But we start with what? The default editor, that is IDLE. Okay, allow. Just type here IDLE, it opens. Click enter. Okay. Right. Now IDLE is open guys. IDLE is opened. So this is the place where you practice our Python programs and where we develop our Python projects. And guys, observe here. See, enter help below or click help above for more information. See, as I told you, documentation guys, right? Documentation. Sir, I want to see in Python how many keywords are there, sir. Simply help of give the name keywords. That's all guys. Give the name keywords. So we use what? We use help function to get the keywords guys. If I click enter, we can see now all keywords are giving. It's called what? Documentation. Sir, I want to know, suppose what is a class, sir? What is a class? Again, help of which one? Help of class. Click enter. You can see about class. It is giving 90 lines of text, guys. All of you about the class keyword. It's giving 90 lines text. Okay. Double click here to display about the class all the details, guys. Okay. So like that, we can get the documentation. But generally, learning the subject by this documentation is not easy, guys. It is not easy to learn the subject by this documentation. Okay, right. So guys, for today we have done Python installation, guys. Python installation. I hope guys, all of you understood how to install Python software. And guys, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and click bell icon to get the notification, guys, because every day I am going to give multiple live sessions, Python sessions, data analytics sessions, okay, and Power BI sessions. I am going to give multiple live sessions, guys. That's why if you click the bell icon, if you subscribe, you get the notification. You can learn the subject, guys. All of you guys, okay. All of you. Manikanta, sir, after class, how to listen the class again, sir? How to listen the class again? Very good doubt. So what do I do, guys? I play the same video one more time, guys. One more time. You can listen one more time, guys. All of you. But not now. Almost no time. Almost 8 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, the same video I will play. All of you. What I am teaching now. This class is recorded already. This class I am going to play tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Manikanta, 8 o'clock. Guys, tell me now. If you want to listen again, which time is better, guys? Which time is better? If you want to listen the class again, which time is better to listen again? And Ramakant, sir, how to remember all keywords? How to remember, we have to know, guys. Okay, there's no shortcut to remember the keywords. See, as a first day, you think, oh, so many keywords are there, how to remember? But no, guys. Once Binda for Python, okay, you can remember all keywords very easily, because now those are new for you. That's why you're getting confusion how to remember. But while using Python, while practicing Python programs, these all keywords we use regularly. All of you, these all keywords we use regularly. So Binda for Python course, you can easily remember all keywords, guys. All keywords. Okay. The same doubt previously one girl asked me in the offline classes. The same doubt she asked me in the first day. Okay. So by the end of the batch, she able to tell all keywords in the same order without any mistake also. Okay, that video also I kept in our Instagram page, guys. Her video I kept in the Instagram page. She told all keywords excellently without any help. Okay, so don't worry about remembering the keywords, Manikant. Okay. Tomorrow time, some are saying 7 a.m., some are saying 9 a.m. I'll play by 7 o'clock is better, guys, I think. Okay, 9 o'clock means some are going to office, right? I'll play it by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. The same video you can listen one more time. 7 o'clock, guys, 7 to 8. Okay, daily evening 7 to 8 live class. Morning 7 to 8, the same recording video replay, guys. Okay. That is better. And one more thing, while video replaying also, I am available in the chat box, guys. All of you. Tomorrow 7 o'clock I play the video and I am available in the chat box. I am available. Okay. So you can message, guys, while class is going on, record class is going on also, you can message and you reply compulsorily. Live means just giving the live, going outside. No, I will be available compulsorily, guys. Tomorrow morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. we'll take the same class again now. Okay, right. So guys, for today we'll stop it now, and tomorrow we start the actual concepts of core Python, guys. All of you. Today just to start, we discussed what here? What we discussed? Okay, 8 o'clock core Python, right? Core Python, guys. Core Python, what is discussed now? Python installation. We discussed. Okay, tomorrow we start the concepts of core Python, guys. Like keywords, how to use the comments, codes, variables, operators, data types, conversions, data structures. These all we discuss one by one, guys. Okay, right. So guys, I request again, guys, please subscribe our channel and share this information with your friends also, guys. They can also listen the subject, right? They can also learn the subjects. I love you. You can invite your friends also, guys. Okay, right. So guys, you stop now. So you stop now, guys, all of you. Srinivas, great idea, sir. Thank you. Right. Thank you, love, guys. Bye. Guys, so live classes same time evening 7 p.m. guys. Live classes and morning 7 a.m. record class. Okay, recording play. But in the recording play also I am available in the live chat box. Thank you, love, guys. Bye. Good night.